Hey guys, you know, I used to be a fan of big proper motorcycles, choppers, etc. But nowadays, it's like when you got family, you have this feeling that it's time to be, you know, to feel some comfort, to be comfortable all the time. And now, when I enjoy this, this e-bike, or this, I'd better say, e-scooter, it feels so good. There's no noise, it's quiet, it's light, it's foldable. Moreover, it's the one that you can use anytime, anywhere. Can you believe it? This is crazy. 45-mile range. That's something that is going to be provided for you if you get the bike. It's 45 miles per hour. That's the speed. It's incredible. It's chargeable, it's foldable, it's comfortable, it's soft, it's silent. What else do you want? It's great. Can you believe it? You can even add some tow car right here for your picnic stuff or for your dog or something like that. I love it, and you will.